Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paloma here, back again with another video. So as you can see, today's gonna be my curly hair routine, and if you guys want to achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I let my hair dry for about 30 to 45 minutes, and it's almost completely dry. Yeah, like if you can see the curls, it's like semi-dry. Like the only thing that's not dry is the hair on my scalp is the only thing that's not dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my diffuser, and then I'm gonna diffuse a little bit of my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick it. diffused my hair. It's still a little bit wet, but it's like fully dry. And then this is how my hair looks. You see how shiny and like cute it looks with those products and letting it air dry? For the most part it was air dried. I diffused it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my pick right here, pick, whatever you want to call it. Hold on, this here on it. You could either use a pick or something like this that has really wide, I don't know how you call it, but yeah, really wide. Pick it softly, so like you're not like making your hair really puffy. Like you gotta like you gotta do it soft. I don't know. And then I picked like the bottom just so it could look a little longer because I don't like my hair to look short. Alright, so this is the final product, or this is the final look, as you can see. On the first day my hair never gets like super puffy just because it's the first day. It still looks like shiny and stuff, and this is how it ends up looking on the first day I wash it. Curls are still bouncy, everything's still shining, everything looks good. If you want, you can always keep picking your hair. It is gonna make it a little bit puffier, but if that's your preference, then you can go ahead and do that. The last step I do is I go ahead and spray some oil on it. It doesn't really matter what oil it is, as long as you're spraying some oil. That way you can keep the moisture and the shininess in your hair. And that's it, guys. Ooh, I hope you guys like this video, and I'm loving my curls right now. Like, look at these curls. Look, let's see if they can. They look so cute. Alrighty, guys, well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my curly hair routine. These are the products that I do use. I haven't used anything else, but if I do end up trying new products, I'll definitely do a new hair routine, a new curly hair routine when the time comes. But this is it. I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys try it out, and if you do, let me know how it works for you. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.